Here at Let's Talk, we would like to encourage responsible drinking. We do not promote drinking and driving, nor anything that will be illegal. Drink responsibly and safely, and let's talk together. Nobody wants a felony.
Okay, so we're back. Okay, hold on. I'm missing a whole host here, so I don't know how we're gonna shoot an episode when there's one half up. Hey girl, what?
I love you. You know that, girl.
What?
I wanted to say happy birthday to you. We have, I gotta do it.
Oh my gosh, that is very sweet. Like, we gonna get into this after, cause cancel gang. But yeah, we gonna get into this episode real quick. Look at this.
It's a robbery.
He don't pay us. He quit on us.
You know what? He was supposed to be the camera person.
He's been on vacation for 2-3 weeks.
Has taken PTO for literally the last 6 months. I don't even know. You know what? Let's just shoot this episode so I can get my cake or a piece of it if he hasn't killed it already.
By the end of this video.
My God.
That's the personal side, and it doesn't really stand a chance. So I'm hoping that he leaves you a piece.
I hope he leaves me a piece because that's rude.
He's gonna wax it as he always
Oh
says.
my gosh. She'd be
Wax
like,
it.
good looks. Like,
Right.
oh my God. Whatever. It can't have nothing these days. I
No,
tell you.
you sure
cannot have
can't.
nothing. All right, listen. So far we've kind of been like 0 for 2, bro.
For you. I think the
Okay,
first one-
you were definitely 1 for 2. I'm kind of like 0 for 2 a little bit. I mean, I'm being a little harsh. It wasn't that bad, but they haven't been my favorite so far. So with this one, I'm hoping to have a eureka moment, okay?
A eureka?
A eureka moment, okay? This here is called the Rob Roy.
Who's Rob and who's Roy?
I don't know.
He has 2 first names.
He has 2 first names, but I just feel like it's gonna be fire because it's weird.
Because he has 2 first names? Or is it 2 guys?
Whoa, I don't know.
I just have so many questions, and I just want to. I'm one of the sticklers. Sticklers.
What?
Sticklers on knowing the original.
I don't know.
Where a name originates from is what I'm saying.
So I don't know that part.
Because the Kentucky Flyer wasn't from Kentucky.
So I didn't know that part, but I do know this is supposed to be similar to a Manhattan. I don't know, dog. I don't know. So all I'm saying is we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see what it look like, and we're gonna, drink, okay? So let's run through the ingredients, and then let's get started. Okay. So you're gonna need a Scotch whiskey.
Ooh, child.
Yes.
Scotch and
blend it, girl. Blend it all together. Then you're gonna need a sweet vermouth. Okay. Some bitters. And a maraschino cherry for garnish. Okay. Of course, you will require a chilled vessel because what are you drinking it out of? Okay.
Gotta be looking all cute and stuff, presentation-wise.
All right. So you know what we have to do. We gotta test out the base ingredient to see what's it giving. Okay, what's it giving? So this is Scotch whiskey. I feel like this won't be as harsh as the rye. Don't you think? Maybe so.
Just maybe?
Maybe so. I don't know. Okay.
It's smooth.
That's not bad.
It's smooth.
That is not bad.
It's better than the other 2.
The other 2 put instant hair on my chest.
Yeah, this one was smooth. It went down straight, down.
Downtown, baby, downtown. Boom, baby. Okay, all right, sorry. Being cereal.
What? Cereal?
Not literally. Are you hungry?
You said cereal.
I know, but like, there's a play on serious, not like literal. Okay, get with the program. All right. All right, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Scotch
What
whiskey.
proof is this?
Okay, so this one is 40%.
Okay.
So it's not gonna kill you instantly.
Oh, this is a big one. You hear that, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey.
No,
I don't think so. I don't think so.
not that 100 pursuit. 100 pursuit.
100? What is 100 pursuit, boo?
It's the pursuit to kill me. 100%.
So instead of
100%
pursuit of happiness, it's
Child.
pursuit to kill. What are
100% proof. There we go.
Okay.
All right. And what was this again? I'm sorry.
It 1.5 ounce.
1.5.
Yes, ma'am.
ounce.
Yes, ma'am. Followed by 3/4 ounce of our sweet vermouth. Okay, there you go.
Fine.
Okay. A dash of our bitters.
A dash, which is. Shh. Ladies and gentlemen, we were on our third drink.
Are you lushing already?
No, I forgot where you
Okay, very well.
Here you go.
Okay, there's my dash. Now you know what dash is.
It's not even a dash. It's more like what you call them things, not a dash on like when you typing. It's more one of those, the long, forget it. All right. Oh, like the little, how they make it like a dash longer. I don't even know what it's called.
I don't actually know what that one's called.
A dasher, I don't know.
Get out of here. Get out.
You dashed already, so you double dashed.
Oh.
Okay, so she double dashed.
I dashed through the snow.
So we can go ahead and shake our ingredients together.
Mine might be a little dark because of that extra dash.
Yeah, she had a little double dash situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ooh, this thing is
Cold chilled. I like it.
okay. Even though I went dashing through the snow.
No, actually,
it's the same. But you must have poured a little bit more than me, sis.
Girl, again, I don't really know what be up with your measurements.
No, I think the ancestors be talking to you more than they do me.
I don't know if that's factual, but
My bad, little homie. What's up?
Get your man.
okay. Did you tighten this with Titan's grip? Like what the
My
heck,
bad.
bro? Oh my God, then I done spilt. Look, hold on. You know what? See, I done, 1 second, y'all. So I done maraschinoed too much.
That
Okay.
sounds so wrong.
Well, listen, I don't know what else to call it, but basically,
You sheened all over yourself.
oh no, that sounded worse.
You're right. My bad.
Okay, so basically all we're trying to do, or what we were trying to do, was get one of these guys for garnish.
Okay, the bright red cherry.
Wow,
Cherry.
that thing
Cherry.
had a moment.
Cherry.
A moment like this. All right, sorry. Just listen. Okay, so listen. So this is
And
what
this
it
is
looks
to
like.
take a spin-off on what again?
I think it's supposed to be a spin-off of the Manhattan. I think I mixed up the one before, and that was more like a sidecar. This is supposed to be more like a Manhattan.
And this is a Rob Roy.
This is a Rob Roy.
So it's either two guys or one guy with two first names.
I have no words. Let's just. Why was it? Okay. We're back. Okay. Finally.
I like this.
Okay, all right, sorry. What was okay? All right. So it's your turn. Your turn is to kick things off. Okay.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
Did you do a sniff test on it?
It's good. Sorry. But I just want to.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
I'm going to give this. I like this. I'm going to give this another 9.
Break it down. Tell the people.
I like the profile. You can taste your liquor, but at the same time, it has those notes that give you that flavor that is just subtle. It's smooth. I like it.
A 9. A 9. Yeah, you know what? I think probably for like the first time in a long time, we are aligned. I will give this also a 9.
Okay.
This is more what I was looking for.
This is almost adjacent to a Manhattan for you?
Yes, but the Scotch whiskey is coming through, so it's definitely different. It is not going to give you the same flavor profile as a typical Manhattan, but it's not overpowering, which sometimes Scotch whiskey can be. So I really feel like overall this is it's a strong drink. You taste your liquor, but it's good. Like overall, the flavor profile is like what I'm looking for in a whiskey cocktail. If I feel like I need to be at a horse race right now with my faceter.
With a Rob Roy?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it? I'm gonna keep my comments to myself.
You go ahead and do that.
Rob Roy.
You know, a nice little outfit.
We call it R&R. Wow. I like it though.
But no, so real talk, I really like this one.
I agree.
It's not overpowering. I think it's giving me what I was missing from the previous two. They're just, and I feel bad because I don't necessarily know what in particular was missing from those previous two recipes that left me kind of like wanting more, but I felt like this is, it's just complete. And
I would agree.
And its approach. I don't know how else to explain it. I find it pleasant. I really would be curious as to know what you all think about this, okay? So definitely let us know in the comment section. Obviously, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Oh, and also make sure you click the little bell so that you are not missing when we initially post our videos. You're getting an instant notification about it. Okay.
Exactly. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And also on top of that, we have a Amazon link to our link on our bio or in our comment section. Please go there and you can see the products that we recommend so that you can make these drinks at home at a fairly good price. At the same time, we'll help you out making these nice, lovely drinks along with us. So definitely check that out. Oh, and TikTok. We were gonna update TikTok.
We're getting there.
We are at an age right now where we're still trying to keep up with the time. So forgive us on that.
Oopsie.
But we're getting there.
We're getting there. Getting there.
We ain't old.
Yeah,
don't call us old.
Yeah, calm down with all that.
Yeah.
Cause I felt it coming from you.
I felt the judgment coming through the camera.
Don't do that.
No.
So, I don't know. We might be back for something else. We might. We might. I don't know.
Okay. I'm glad on this segment of your birthday.
Oh, thank you.
That we have a turn of events. But that birthday cake, it better be something left.
I better have a piece. Cause how the heck it's my birthday cake and it's nothing left? It better be something left.
Something.
Mr. Mawat better
don't
have
even pay us. Done quit on us. He gave his own self a promotion. How you do that?
How, bro?
How you do that?
How?
But overall, this is a nice drink. Rob Roy or Rob and Roy. I don't know, but we're going to.
I think it's just Rob Roy. It's my birthday. Hey, it's my birthday.
Wait, it's not my birthday, but you know what?
It's my birthday. Hey. So it's my birthday, and we might be back with something a little different. Maybe a bonus episode. Stay tuned. I don't know. Maybe. Deuces.